how to find your deleted friends on Snapchat or how you can re-add them back. If you are using your Snapchat and you have removed a friend intentionally or by mistake, this is how you can find them back. Okay, first let's open our Snapchat and then go to our chats. Here I have a friend of mine. You can just see the first one. I just click on his profile, and then if you want to remove them, you just tap on the three dot at the top right, like so. And then you can see there is an option to manage friendship, and from here you can remove friends. So if you have removed them by mistake or intentionally, you just have to remember the username. So once you remove them, now once you tap on remove, they will be removed from your friend list. As you can see, now the name is gone. So if I just go to this icon right here that says add friend here, and then search for the name again, you just have to remember their username. So I'm just gonna type in the name. To do so, I just hit on search. As you can see, now I have an option to add him back right here. And as you can see, now he's been added back in my friend list. But if you don't remember their username, you can try to find them in your quick add, like so. These are all of the people that are in your contacts, so you can just try to find them there. And if it still doesn't work, then you can contact them in other social media sites to ask them for their username, and you can add them back from there. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.